brother. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another dazzling poo video, and I'm Poonam. So today's my video is another and last video of my series 7 days 7 celebrity look, and this look is inspired by, now you know, of course, by Alia Bhatt, one of my favorite. Actually, she's my most favorite, and I want to do this look as my last video, and this video a bit special for me because this is a last of the series and I did a lot of hard work for this series. I learned many things about my makeup, about videos, and yeah, and I hope some of you have also enjoyed my this series. I personally enjoyed my work, my series.
And making this video took me a lot of effort because I did something special for my hair, and I also add some accessories, and adding this accessory took me a lot of time. I spent in just for these two things time equally I use for my makeup. So in short, this video has took me a long till now, and right now I'm also shooting, and you're watching this video like I think on Sunday, so I'm shooting this on Saturday, and I have just a very short period to edit this video.
So now without any further delay, and अभी आपको ज़्यादा बोर नहीं करूँगी, so just directly fly to the video. Chilling. So now all of you know that I start my makeup with my primer. So here I'm using my primer from Nykaa because my face is already moisturized. So I'm using this gel based prep primer. It completely fills your pore and prepare your skin for any kind of makeup. And after applying this, I'm using my favorite L'Oreal Paris True Match foundation, and I'm in the shade medium, or you can say neutral. So I will apply this on my face, and now of course we will blend it. You can use brush or your finger or this kind of blender. So I'll suggest, if you are a beginner, then you should go for this kind of blender because this is so easy to blend your foundation with this kind of blender. And but make sure that this should be wet. And after applying this, I'm gonna use this concealer from NYB. This is in stick form, and this is really good, matches perfectly to me, and so easily blendable and also affordable. And these days I'm in love with this concealer. This is so perfect. So I'm applying this all over the points where I wanna apply this or conceal them. And after this, after that, I will also blend it properly so that my face will look refreshed and more brightness. And after blending it, it says set करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. So for that, I'm using this compact from Purple, and these days this is so good compact for me because it has SPF also, so it works as a sunscreen. So I'm in love with this compact these days. So I will set all the concealer wherever I have put, like over my eyes, under my eyes, and around my mouth, and wherever I have some kind of blemishes. So after that, I will contour my face with this LA Girl Pro. This is actually a concealer, but it is 2 shade darker than my shade, so I'm using it for contouring my face. So it works as a light shade of contouring because I'm not doing any harsh contouring because my face is not so much fat, it's already thin. So I do a little bit of contouring, and for that this is the perfect. So I have blend all the contouring for my face, for my jawline, for my cheekbones, and for my nose. And after that, I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, and she has a natural kind of eyebrows, so I'm gonna fill my eyebrows like that. And for the front side, I'm not gonna fill very much for my eyebrows so that they will look natural. And afterwards, I'm gonna brush that and fill all the part from the back side. So now I'm using these two eyeshadow palettes. One is from Wet n Wild and another from is Makeup Revolution. So first thing, I'm picking a light brown shade for my transition shade, and then I'm picking this dark brown shade mixing with the black shade for my outer corners, so giving my eyes a look like her. She has a dark brown shade to her outer corners, so I'm doing the same thing for both of my eyes. So now picking this Maybelline's Black Colossal Kajal for doing my kajal. So I'm doing this kajal in my lower waterline and also for my lower lash line. And now I will blend this kajal with the dark brown shade to give it a look, kind of smoky kind of look. And after that I'm gonna use my eyeliner from Mars. So I will apply this liner in a very thick form, so giving it also a smoky kind of look. I'm gonna blend this liner with the same dark brown shade from the eyeshadow like my kajal, so that I can get a complete smoky kind of look to my eyes like her. So done with this, and after that I'm going to use this Maybelline's Hyper Curl Volume Express mascara, and it really increase the volume of your eyelashes. And in this look I'm not going to use any false lashes, and you can see my lashes are looking so good and beautiful. Doing the same with my lower lashes, and after that I'm picking these two red colors as my blush from this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. And yeah, I'm not using any different blush because I like to use eyeshadow as my blush. It looks so beautiful and so fresh. And after that I'm using the highlight also from the same palette to highlighting my face, my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, and everything I will highlight from the same palette. Doing some extra highlighting to my nose, as her nose is looking way more highlighting than her rest of the face. And now I'm gonna use these two lipstick from Darling Isabella, and another from is Lakme. Both are in brown nude shade, so I'm just showing you the swatches of both the colors. And now I will apply one after another. So first I'm using this Darling Isabella, and after that I'm gonna use this Lakme's brown lip shade to achieving a look like hers. So curling my hair a little bit, and after that I'm gonna use this accessory for my hair, and this is the final look. You can watch, and if you like it then give it a thumbs up. And yeah, done. So I hope you enjoyed watching my last video from this series. So if you are also an Alia lover, so give it a thumbs up, and if you like this video then please subscribe my channel. It will be a great support for me because I'm really working hard, and as I'm beginner so I need your support. So now we'll see you in my another video. Till then